Welcome to the channel. Today we're tackling a particularly long and complex medical term, thyroparathyroidectomy. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be saying it confidently. Let's break it down step by step. The correct pronunciation is thyroparathyroidectomy. First, we have thyro, where thy sounds like thigh, and ro rhymes with row. Then par, where the A sounds like the A in car. Next is A, which is a soft, neutral sound like the A in sofa. After that, we have thy, which sounds like thigh again, and roa, where it rhymes with boy. Next, we have deck, which sounds like the deck in deck of cards. Finally, to-me, where toe sounds like toe and me sounds like me. Let's put it all together slowly. Thyroparathyroidectomy. Now, repeat after me. Thyroparathyroidectomy. A little faster. Thyroparathyroidectomy. And at full speed. Thyroparathyroidectomy. Keep practicing and soon this long word will be a breeze. Now that you've nailed the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Thyroparathyroidectomy is a surgical procedure in which both the thyroid and parathyroid glands are removed, often due to conditions like tumors or hyperactivity of these glands. That's it. Now you know how to pronounce thyroparathyroidectomy and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, share it with others, and comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.